Ahoy Daly City Rec at Home. My name is Cherry and today we're going to be making a toilet paper roll parrot inspired by this week's theme, Ahoy Summer. So for your supplies today, you're going to need colored feathers, some glue, a pair of scissors, colored paper for the body, the head, the chest, and the beak, some googly eyes, and don't forget your toilet paper roll. So your first step is to glue all the body parts onto the toilet paper roll. After that, you're going to glue the eyeballs onto the head. So once you finish that, you're going to glue the feathers on the top of the head and on the sides for the wings and then on the back for the tail. Be sure to cut off the ends so it's easier to glue on. And that's how you make your toilet paper roll parrot. Thanks for watching.